Alright, so here's a Suzuki quadrunner 4x4. I think it's a 250 or 230 or something. Gotta check it out. But brakes are locked up on it. So we're gonna pull these brake drums apart, see what's going on. It went through the ice, but if you look here, these brakes really ain't doing nothing. Anyway, so it went through the ice, and it runs. They got it running back, runs good, but brakes seem to be locking up on it. So I'm gonna pull it apart, see if we got some gunk in there that, or if it's rusted, and we just gotta clean it up and re-grease everything. So we'll see what happens. Well, we found the problem. Just rust and grime and build up from going through the ice. So gotta tear all this apart, clean all this up, get it all moving freely. Alright, pulling out this CV shaft here. It's a little stuck in there, so I gotta keep pulling on this thing. Hopefully I can get it out, and then we're gonna replace it with the new boot right there. Half shaft's out. Got this clip out. That's the boot we gotta replace. To do that, we gotta pull all of this off, slide this off, slide that boot off. But there's a snap ring in there, and unfortunately I don't got no snap ring pliers, so I gotta go pick some up tomorrow, come back, put the new boot on, re-grease everything, slap it back together. Alright, final thing to do on this quadrunner. We're just doing the valve cover gasket. Well, there's actually no gasket there, it's just a mating surface, and we're gonna clean it up and throw some new sealer on there. Get it done. Replaced all the body clips with matching body clips. Fixed a couple other little things, like put this cover back on. Got the brakes all done. She's about done. There's a valve cover there. Alright, valve cover's back on. And what we used was just Yamalube Yamabond 5. It's fully drying instead of the semi-drying.